Making the conscious decision to change and be better is often triggered by a sense of dissatisfaction with our current experiences. We perceive ourselves and the world around us in a certain way, and when this perception no longer aligns with our desires, we yearn for change. The decision to change is an admirable one, but it often leaves us stuck at the starting line, pondering our first move. However, at this initial stage, there isn't much to be done. Instead, we need to learn how to observe our current behavior. Our nervous system is segmented into two distinct categories, a conscious system and an autonomic system. This implies that we have a system within us that operates without our conscious awareness, controlling our basic habits such as heart rate, breathing, temperature regulation, metabolism, and more. This autonomic system manages our life without our active intervention, and it is this system we must learn to modify in order to make any significant changes in our lives. The subconscious intelligence of our bodies is grounded in repetition and memory. This intelligence oversees all our vital activities and plays a crucial role in our current state of being. The first step towards change, therefore, is to observe the habits we've ingrained but rarely pay attention to. For instance, can you accurately recount how many meals you had yesterday, without forgetting a single item you ingested? You might be surprised at the frequency of your eating habits. Moreover, you might realize you didn't drink any water yesterday, or perhaps you spent an excessive amount of time, say 4 hours, mindlessly scrolling on your phone. These are habits you can observe if you take the time to pay close attention to your daily routines. Once you identify your real habits for what they are, you can then decide which ones to change and replace them with new behaviors. The crux of this change lies in habit formation. The new habits must be repeated long enough for your subconscious intelligence to register them as the default behavior. Wanting to get better starts with understanding which habits need to be changed. So, take a moment to observe your habits, choose the ones you wish to change, and work on replacing them with better ones, one step at a time. By doing so, you'll gradually begin to transform your life for the better.